Hey there, viewers! In today's video, we're exploring the power of pen and paper. Let's dive into how journaling can be a therapeutic tool for managing depression. Journaling is more than just keeping a diary. It's a method backed by research to help process emotions and reduce stress. Writing down thoughts and feelings can provide an outlet for emotional expression. Journaling helps organize thoughts, making it easier to identify patterns and triggers. Reflecting on challenges in writing can lead to insights and solutions. Studies have shown that those who journal report lower levels of depression and anxiety. They also experience a greater sense of well-being and positivity, as well as stronger coping skills during tough times. To journal for depression, aim to write regularly, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Be truthful with yourself. This is a private space for your eyes only. Include things you're grateful for to cultivate a positive mindset. Journaling isn't a cure for depression, but it's a valuable tool in your mental health toolkit. Give it a try and see how it can lighten your mental load. Thanks for watching. If you found journaling helpful or have tips to share, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mental health tips. Stay strong and keep writing your way to wellness.